Guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a play menu. So first, you want to insert a screen GUI, name it Play Screen, insert a frame, insert a text button, name the frame Screen with a capital S. Copy just what I do, okay? And now, in the local script, the script will be in the description, and once you've done that, if you type PlayButton.Activated connect, you want to press enter and it should say end. I'm going to fix my line real quick. Screen. Screen.Play. And I'll be right back. So when you do that, you want to PlayButton.Activated. You want to do Screen.Visible equals false. So yeah, here you go. You got your script. Now let's test it. If you guys want to see a thing of this, I will post. So we're back again, and local script. Use the script. I'll copy the script and put it in the description. So let's test. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Ah. What? Wait a minute. This isn't working. I seriously do not know what was going on in there. Dude, why isn't it working? I'll probably have... I'll be right back. So since I kinda retyped the script again, and I think I got it working. So credit to Jack the Monster. Credit to Jack the Monster. Credit to Jack the Monster for making this video. Or making his video. Now let's see if it works. So let's play. I don't know if it. I think I might have to insert a local script into PlayButton. So now let's test it the last time. So guys, that's how you make a working play button. I'm gonna publish the Roblox. So, bye YT.